I'm gonna be getting bigger tires today. Getting rid of these 25s. I get some 29.5-inch Outlaws and some 14-inch Field Mavericks. So got the old D-Walt here. Gotta finish taking these tires off. We can go pick up the new ones. Oh, here they are. 29.5-inch Outlaws, 14-inch Field Mavericks. You know, to match my truck over there. Gotta have those. This is no lift kit, and it ain't scrubbing anywhere. But I'm probably still gonna put a lift kit on it. On 2-inch high lifter. There she is. She got the N2 Deeps snorkel kit, EPI clutch kit, and 29.5-inch Outlaws. Looks pretty good. Ready to test it out and see how it does.
Sometimes I got these ugly thoughts up in my mind. I got that angel and the devil by my side. Ask me how I'm doing, bitch, I'm doing fine. I'm doing fine, yeah, I'm doing fine. I'ma make them all believe before I die, yeah. I'm the king of all this shit, I swear that I am. Say I'm such a fucking critic, I know I